Okay, I wanted to spend a minute talking about these three variations of the Running Man. The Shaper Running Man, the Double Shaper Running Man, and the Shaper Running Man Backstep. And I'm going to show you the differences between each of those. I'm going to start off with the basic Shaper Running Man. And I'm going to do it from the side, but I'll also turn and do it from the back for you. Okay, you know in the regular Running Man, we start on a perch. We land in an A shape, both feet flat on the ground. The Shaper Running Man is only slightly different, but we're not going to start with a very high perch. We're actually just going to start with sort of this figure 4 perch, this little triangle. And then from here, instead of stomping down into an A shape with both feet flat, we're actually just going to do kind of a heel out. Now, I have my back heel down, but normally when you're doing this kind of fast, your back heel won't actually be down. You'll end up looking kind of like this. Okay, so we're starting here in a perch position. We're going to go out kind of like this. We're going to return to a perch position kind of like this, and then we're going to go out again. So when you pick up a little bit of speed, it looks like that. And then let me quickly show you from the back. So again, we're starting on a kind of a low perch position. We are off the ground. We're not toe on the ground. So it's actually a little bit up like this. It's going to go out into an A shape, return back to perch, a low perch, out into an A shape, return to perch, out, perch, out, perch. Just remember, you're always landing on your front heel instead of flat-footed. And also, as an added benefit, the Shaper Running Man is much more low impact than the basic Running Man because your perch position is a lot lower, and it also requires a lot less energy. Now, the Double Shaper Running Man is obviously going to be very similar. We're going to go out into the same A shape, but instead of changing feet, the back leg is going to come back up again and go out again. I'm going to show you that from the back. Starting on a left perch, we're going to go out into the A shape. Left foot is going to jump back to center, and we're going to go back out into an A shape again. Then we're going to change sides. So it looks like this. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of confusion. And believe me, it's took me forever to figure this out. The difference between the double and the back step. So just let me show you that from the side for a minute. Starting on a left perch again, we're going to go out into an A shape. We're going to return back to the same leg, so back to the left. It's going to hop forward to the center line. Now we're back right where we started. And now the perch leg is just going to go backward, like this. Now you notice I'm still off of the center perch. Here's the center perch. I did 1 forward, back to center perch, 1 backward, back to center perch. And I did that all from the left leg. So my left leg was weighted that whole time. But you'll also notice that I didn't have an opportunity to change legs to go to the other side. So I'm going to have to do 1 more out front so that I can change sides. So it ends up looking a lot like the Moss step. It's going to have an extra count in there. So it's going to be and 1, and 2, and 3, and now we can change legs. So that was a total 3 count move. Now let me show you from the back. Left perch, and 1, return to the left perch, and perch leg goes backward, 2, return to the left perch again, and then we're going to do 1 more shaper up front, 3, and now we can change feet. So the big difference there between the Double Running Man and the Running Man back step is that the Double Running Man never steps backward. But how they're the same is the back foot has to hop forward in both of those moves on the second count. Okay, I'll do 1 more demonstration from the back, and I'm going to do all 3 here. Starting with the Shaper Running Man, I'm going to do 4. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now the Double Shaper, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now the Shaper back step, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. Please let me know if you're having trouble with this. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.